Oh man, yeah.
Yes, because I need some more advice on my credit. So.
So that's
some
it.
credit.
That's why I thought this would be such a great episode because
Yes.
I know this is your first business that you've ever run.
Yes, this is, and I can't believe, and it sometimes sounds weird because I'm like, this is just my passion, and then I realize like, no, this is a business that needs finances to survive, and I feel like if I had more education on how to run my business, I think I would probably be able to run it more successfully. Not saying that it's not successful now, but just having more keys and access to different forms of information that I may need for my org, because we're not like a big organization like a St. Jude where people just know like St. Jude does good work, so I'm gonna just write it off and give them money. And it's like, for me, if when I do like receive donations, like they're for things that are, I guess, they're for things that are to call to action. So if I want to do something for my community, like a back to school drive, that's the call to action. Like, and you're gonna see it flourish. Like this year, we were able to partner with a major record company where they donated like 37 Puma book bags, right? And that's a blessing because the connection was that the kids knew like, oh, maybe is this from Nipsey Hussle's line, because we know the marathon continues. He did a collab with Puma, so just bringing that connection into the community. So it's like, it's not like I'm taking the funds and I'm like, yeah, I'm going here, I'm going here. No, it's like, this is going in my classroom because they need snacks. This is going to their uniforms because I got to wash their uniforms so they can have clean uniforms for the week. So it's like, sometimes I find myself coming out of my own pocket. And I'm pretty sure there's other ways of me getting like funding without it coming out of my own pocket.
Using other people's money.
Yeah, because using my money ain't it right now.